Ancient Egyptian Inventions. This is the instructions from Mrs. Payne. Papyrus was used to make many things, including boats, sandals, baskets, tables, and paper. But today we will be talking about papyrus paper. The Egyptians invented papyrus paper. They needed a better way to write as they were carving on the walls. The earliest example of papyrus paper was found in 2012 at an ancient Egyptian harbor located at the Red Sea coast, dating from 2562 to 2550 BC. On the paper, it described the last years of the building of the Great Pyramid of Giza. Papyrus paper helped the ancient Egyptians save time. In the beginning, they wrote by carving on the walls. Papyrus spread to ancient Greece, Rome, and medieval Europe. Papyrus paper is made from papyrus plant which grows along the Nile River. The papyrus's stalk reaches up to 16 feet tall. Papyrus still exists in Egypt today, but in greatly reduced number. It was invented to make writing easier, quicker, and better. The papyrus plant was a symbol of rebirth. To this day, we are not entirely sure how the ancient Egyptians produced their papyrus. The longest ancient Egyptian papyrus roll was around 40 meters. It changed lives because people could write about their lives and record business and medical issues. It was innovative and helped save time, and it influenced paper today, and artists still use it. The ancient Egyptians taught some of the scientists knowledge that we didn't already know. Map of ancient Egypt. As you can see, all the cities were on the bank of the Nile River. Picture of real papyrus. Modern paper.
Modern paper. Modern paper comes in many different colors and many different textures. Modern paper is very different from papyrus. The Chinese invented the modern paper that we use today, which is made from wood pulp. A man called Chai Lun created the paper making process. The Chinese wanted to make paper lighter and make it better than the normal paper. The new Chinese paper spread across the world quite quickly, but took 500 years to spread to Europe. Modern paper is made from tree's pulp. The pulp has been treated and goes through a number of processes before it actually turns into paper. It was invented to make paper better. They got pulp from bamboo, hibiscus bark, blue sandalwood, straw, and cotton. But nowadays, we use wood pulp. It didn't really change lives as there were other paper invented, but it made paper better. It wasn't until mid-19th century until paper making used wood pulp really caught on. A map of ancient Central Asia where pulp paper was invented. Pulp paper was invented during the Eastern Han period, which was during 25 to 2020 CE.
Papyrus paper, made by Egyptians.
Modern paper made by Chinese.
Let's look at some of the differences and similarities of these two papers. Papyrus paper. Papyrus changed the way Egyptians wrote.
Modern paper. It's like a copy of papyrus.
Papyrus paper comes in only one color.
Modern paper comes in multiple colors.
Papyrus paper. Papyrus isn't considered a paper, even though we call it a paper.
Modern paper. Paper is considered truly a paper.
Papyrus paper is made using papyrus plant.
Modern paper is made from wood pulp.
Papyrus paper. Papyrus was created by Egyptians.
Modern paper. Pulp
Paper was created by the Chinese. Similarities. Can draw on them both. We can write on them both. They are both used today, both made from plants. By Samiha, Latib and Adhiti Roopnarain.